Application Engineer with TriMech Solutions out of the Knoxville, Tennessee office. And today we're going to be talking about a new feature in SOLIDWORKS 2019 called Delete Hole. So this is a surfacing feature. As you can see, what I have is a single surface, so nothing too complex here, nothing watertight or closed off. And so what we're looking at here, if we have just sort of a plain body like this, it's really easy to delete holes. You go to delete face, you kind of select the hole you want, and delete and patch, and you're good to go. The problem arises when you have surface bodies like this. There's no real way to delete this hole. Before you could hit delete and kind of hope for the best, hit the delete key. But now we can simply kind of hover over that edge, right click, and click delete hole. We'll see just like that, it's gone. Now this works obviously on curved surfaces, on flat surfaces. It works with, you can see this is sort of a split line here. So this ellipse here, it'll work on that entire thing, and even polygonal surfaces. So this is a real quick way to delete holes out of your geometry. So if you're bringing something in, usually this is really useful for bringing in imported models and turning them into surface geometry to do some editing, and then I would go ahead and add these faces back in here and the holes would be gone. So just another simple enhancement in 2019, but one that is greatly appreciated. Again, these can be configured, so you can always, once you have a feature like this versus just deleting the hole, a feature allows you to let it be a configurable feature. So we can have the holes on some parts and no holes on other parts. So, as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments of the accompanying blog post or reach out to us at 888-TriMech. And thanks for watching.